we're going to sow some oregano, or oregano as the Americans like to call it. So this is just the standard oregano, which I think the botanical name from memory is Oreganum vulgara. I don't know, I'll have to check that. But this is the seed. So it is, oh, I've put far too much out there. It is absolutely minuscule. Now, if I was sowing a large area, I would mix this maybe with some sand. But all I'm going to do is just scatter it in a pot here. And what I've done is I've filled a pot with just this is a multi-purpose, finely sieved with vermiculite added. The vermiculite is just the inert mineral. It's like a volcanic mineral that absorbs water, so that when you squeeze it, you'll see water floods out. I mean, this is quite wet. I've just literally taken a watering can to it. But that's all you do, is you scatter a bit on the soil level there. You can be quite generous, and then you just top it up. Now, how deep do you go? You want to be 1/2 centimetre deep from the soil level. So that's what I've done there. And I just fill that back up and firm down with a pot. So I filled up to about 1/2 centimetre from the top, firmed down, made sure it was still 1/2 centimetre from the top by topping up, sowed my seed. How much seed do you sow? Well, you just have to sort of judge it, and then top dressed and just compacted down. And now I'm going to do this one. So this is what you do. You take your pot, you firm it down till it's 1/2 centimetre from the top. Again, I'll sow the rest of this seed here. Then you just take your compost there. Some people will just top dress with pure vermiculite, but I had just the right amount mixed up of compost and vermiculite there, so that's why I've done that. And then just compress down just lightly. Get your label, put the date on, 19th of May today. There we go. And that is done. I'll now just stick on a shelf in the greenhouse here to soak up water. And if it wasn't so wet, I would give the tops a spray just where I've been handling the compost to let them soak up a bit of water. Quick bonus tip with oregano, only feed it once a year. So I tend to give it a seaweed feed in sort of July time. And that is because if you feed it too much, it loses its flavour.